Merry Thanksgiving!
Yeah, it's official. Right. We're past Thanksgiving.
We are past Thanksgiving.
Time to focus on the holiday of the year.
With the most cheer? No.
We need to start watching Christmas movies.
Statum, which is the Greek word for quickly.
Algonquin for
the good land.
Actually, it's pronounced Miliwake, which is Algonquin for the good land.
I will ding to that.
Yeah.
Good sir.
Hello.
Cheers. Oh, whoa. It is post-Thanksgiving.
Whoa.
We are...
Whoa!
I'm sailing away.
I'm sailing.
We are still in the fall season, and it turns out Thanksgiving Day delivered in a serious way.
Oh, yeah.
We've got leftovers. Why not utilize them for a tasty leftover dish?
Oh, to the yeah.
And you know me, I'm all about some good enchiladas with flour tortillas.
Dude, come on.
Oh, come on! So look,
the tortilla
for
integrity.
the title's sake, we're gonna call these leftover turkey enchiladas. For reality's sake, these are gonna be leftover turkey smothered burritos. Convince me wrong. Convince me wrong? Convince me that I'm wrong.
That's the one.
Look, let's ding this and get to the
Bell and a bite, am I right?
bell and the bottom, am I right?
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Bum, 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 bum.
Bum, 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 bum.
So we've got all your basic Thanksgiving ingredients, right? I mean,
Yeah.
for me personally, turkey obviously is a staple. You gotta have it. Your next staple, stuffing.
Yeah.
Your other staples might be cranberry sauce. How are we gonna incorporate this into an enchilada?
You might say?
How you might say, you'll just have to wait and see. Also, Crap. If you didn't see my last video, I made a delicious smaple, I think it's the tag now.
Yeah.
Schmaple hash, a maple sweet potato hash. I've got some leftovers of that.
Definitely.
We're gonna incorporate all of this into a delicious
Leftover central.
smorgasbord. Is it smorgasbord?
Smorgasbord.
Or board?
Board.
Smorgasbord. We don't need to use that word for this, but I'm gonna use all this stuff to make a really yummy enchilada.
There we go.
Let's do this. First things first, let's head over to the griddle.
Do it.
So we've had this preheating. I'm gonna go ahead and kick this side up. We're gonna get into that medium zone. We've been preheating on low. I'm gonna add some olive oil, and we're gonna go down with a basic ingredient. We've got some onions, dude.
Basic, but staple.
Slimy yet satisfying.
Slimy yet satisfying.
Chicken and herb. We've
Legendary.
used this throughout all of the ingredients, so let's incorporate it into our onions as well. So,
onions are a great base of flavor because they have sweetness, they also have savory, and they have great texture. So this is a great place to start.
plus, they smell awesome when you cook them.
Especially with that herb.
Oh, except for my buddy on YouTube, Matt, I believe. I don't remember your tag name, dude. He doesn't like onions at all.
Oh, no.
He's like, I'm sorry, your food looks great, but I just can't get into onions. Look, Matt, there's no shame in that game.
Kind of like you and mushrooms.
That's exactly what I was about to say. There's some stuff I want to like, I'm just not going to.
Yeah,
So,
but you know what? A month ago, you didn't like lobster.
I wouldn't say I like lobster still,
But
but
you
I
do.
tried it, and it was edible. It was
Edible?
I ate it, so it's edible.
Okay.
I also tried shrimp.
And?
Edible.
All right.
I won't be ordering
Mushrooms?
it. Not edible.
Yeah, sounds
we
about
go.
right.
That's a nice little segue. There we go. This is kind of a heat up the old elements recipe. So
Not a lot of cooking. More
No,
like
not a lot of
heating.
cooking. So we're gonna heat up our turkey. We've got some carved turkey here. This is yummy. I'm gonna slide these onions that are caramelizing and smelling
they
so
look
delightful,
Yeah,
my
we don't want
friend.
to go fully caramelized. We want a little texture still.
Right. But so I'm gonna do just a scotch of oil with that.
Whoa.
A dust. I must.
Wow.
I'm not gonna go too heavy. I'm gonna just get some fun
A
color.
little bit of love.
A little bit of love. Let me get that oil everywhere. Again, this is not gonna take long because we're just reheating this. So it's already cooked. We've got that yumminess. That oil is getting all over. That's gonna help us with some color and some yummy. Surface area is your friend right now. We want to heat this up fairly fast. Oh, those onions.
Smells fantastic.
They're doing it. They're doing it. Hey, let's throw one more thing down to heat up. Sweet potato maple hash. Oh, dude, look
yeah.
at all those juices.
Oh
Look
yeah.
at all those leftover juices.
Man, smells like Thanksgiving again.
Yes, it does. It's the day after Thanksgiving, so don't fret. Oh, I didn't even mention this.
Yeah?
I went ahead and took some of my leftover gravy. Check this out, dude. I've got this all set on low here. We just set this down in the corner. We're just letting this slowly heat up.
Yep.
This doesn't have to be heated up, but it's just gonna make the process, once we roll everything up, start working all the goods together, it's gonna be already warm like everything else.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Is it time to build?
it's kind of time to build.
You know what we could do? I bet we could just mix this all together. I mean, it's all going to be mixed anyway, right?
Whoa.
Should we just give it a toss?
Whoa!
Maybe throw some gravy, like
Whoa!
base everything,
If you're talking about incorporating everything, that's madness.
and then add some gravy over the top so it's like a big, delicious, juicy bundle of flavor.
You had me at gravy.
You had me at hello.
Why not? It's all gonna get in there. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, fire onions.
Dude, hit that with some gravy over the top. Give it some shine, some sheen.
Okay,
There's a good bit of saltiness in that gravy, too, so it's kind of like pulling all the flavor in together.
You ready for this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Not too much. We're gonna get plenty of gravy to go around here in a
This is
second.
Thanksgiving remix.
So this is
Oh, yeah.
we're living on the edge. We are outlaws. We are food outlaws right now. If we were in the Wild West, I'd be Billy the Kid. No, I'd be Doc Holliday. Dibs.
I'm your huckleberry.
Okay, so how about we build this
Let's do
over
some
there?
tortillas.
Let's do this. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna set down
Okay.
our convenient Blackstone cutting
dig it.
board.
And those gorgeous flour tortillas that are superior.
Look, dude, I like flour tortillas when it calls for it.
And,
This is not necessarily one of those moments that calls for it.
come on, you
Look.
want everyone to love the leftovers, so
Yes, you do. So
not everyone, I think there are more people that like flour tortillas than like corn tortillas.
Erroneous! Erroneous! Erroneous on both counts.
check it out. This is not gonna be complicated.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you stay there.
I'm saying,
I'm gonna do this.
okay?
I'm gonna add my cheese first. This is some pre-grated. Again, we're scooting along. It's Thanksgiving Day, right? Or post-Thanksgiving Day,
Little
should I say.
queso.
A little bit queso.
A little gravy? Because we're not doing green or red.
Nope.
We're doing brown.
We're doing brown. That's
Accurate.
odd, but accurate. Okay, so now we got that. Let's get a little bit of this guy here. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. 'Cause
Oh,
we don't
yeah.
want to dry out this food at this point.
Definitely.
Okay.
Just a touch.
Yeah,
Not to fill
and
it.
make sure not to overfill. Don't underfill, but
Oh, you know what you need?
I do
We
know
almost
what
forgot.
I need.
I'm bringing it to you, guy.
Bring it on. Oh!
Bring it on down. Hang down.
Inside?
Oh, dude,
The
inside.
madness.
Just
Who
a
would
touch.
mix
Just a
such
touch.
ingredients? Yeah.
Hey,
What?
this one too.
Oh!
Little stuffing,
Okay.
which actually is dressing because it wasn't stuffed in the bird. It was made separate.
I
Hence
just-
the difference of the word.
I like to call it stuffing.
Well, that would be wrong.
Okay. Well,
Oh, look at that little pop of color.
yeah, that's
Just
fun.
a touch of acidity. Man, these are going to be full.
So now we're not heating this one up on the griddle top because it'll kind of fall apart. So this is going to be our baseline for what not to do. No.
Oh, it's all right.
Okay.
Hey, we're good.
We're good.
Now, how are you going to get that into your little aluminum dish?
I'll tell you how.
Okay.
I'm gonna set my aluminum dish right here.
All
Re-
right.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. Oh, why don't you go seam side down so it stays
Ooh,
in shape?
that's
roll
gonna
it.
be tough.
Roll it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All
Pro
right.
moves.
Pro moves. I like
Hey,
that.
Throw a touch of gravy at the bottom.
Oh, just. All right. let's
Round
do,
two?
Let's do that a few more times. Okay. So I don't know if you noticed. I doubt you did.
Okay.
I just cranked this. This was on low.
Okay.
We're gonna scoot this up to high, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And let's go to Gravy Town, guy.
Gravy Town. Population U, bro.
Population U. I mean, I think that we can all agree that gravy is an exquisite idea, right?
Yeah.
And
we
I
don't
think
got blue, we don't have a red or green. We got brown.
we got brown.
Man, we've already got some action. Are you sure you want that on high?
No. I just turned it down to medium.
Okay.
Okay. And
Cheese it.
cheese it up one more time.
Oh, dang.
Now we've already
Be
got our cheese.
considerably generous with that cheese.
Well, I'm going to be as generous as I can
I like it.
because I'm out of cheese.
Well,
Should
look
I
at
go
that. We
get
got
more
some
cheese?
bubbly goodness. Look, it's singing over there.
I want some green chili.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Don't put it on mine.
I'm not going to because I don't want to waste good food
Okay.
on you. You know what? I'm going to, for the sacrifice of the food,
Yeah?
I'm going to make a run.
For what?
More cheese.
Why?
It needs more.
Well, you better hurry. Is that technically a walk of shame?
Shut up!
That's a yes.
I acknowledge the walk of shame, but the reason I did it...
It's because you already did one today, and there's not. What? Shh.
Back to-
-1.
Back to the recipe, all right?
Okay.
I want this sucker
Cheesed up.
cheesed up, and that light amount was not going to cut it.
Okay. I would have to concur.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to do even a little bit more. Okay. Now we are done. Let's go ahead and get this
Dome and melt?
expedited. Let's expedite the heating.
The meltage.
And yeah, so you see we've got this obviously down on the griddle top. We're gonna add some water. This is going to create that steam that we want.
I like it.
That is going to heat up and melt our cheese
Ring that bell. Let's
that
wait
I
for 2
made
minutes.
such a long walk of shame for. Ringing the bell.
It was your fastest one, though. That was
Ladies
quick.
and gentlemen, we'll be back in 60 seconds. Let's check on that cheesy goodness, bruh. Oh. Can I please just say that my run of shame was not in vain?
Velociraptor.
Let's bring our cutting board back over here.
Ooh, dang. This is getting
Because
precarious.
this is hot and heavy. Hot and heavy coming off the griddle top. And I don't want to take a chance. Oh, dude,
Ooh, yep.
this is dense
Dang.
with some
Dude, this
Thanksgiving
doesn't look
love.
like leftovers. This looks like firstovers. I don't even know what the... It looks good is what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to give you a compliment.
Well, thank you. Wow, dude.
So beauty.
Gosh.
I can't wait to get into this, mother. Let it cool off or you gonna burn your face?
It's gonna cool off. All right, the moment of truth. Did I save Christmas with this post-Thanksgiving meal? All right, let me cut into it.
Do it.
Dude, it's gonna be pretty hot, but I like to live on the edge.
Scorcha.
I mean, I did give it a second to cool off, but
Whoa.
oh,
Sound?
are we seeing this? Bro, we got that
Beauty.
cranberry,
Oh,
gravy,
stunning.
maple hash. All right, let's see if I'm a genius. I'm so smart.
He's good.
Need something?
I'm gonna give it a little post-dusting.
Of course you are.
Can I?
Of course.
This is fun for presentation. Kind of looks like it just seals the deal, right? I've got to try the green chili one.
Which one is it?
It's right here.
There's no way that's gonna be good.
Dude, it's green chili.
Yeah, but you're mixing it with cranberries.
Yeah. You can put green chili with anything.
Is that a fact?
We're about to find out.
Yeah, we are.
Wow.
Okay, that is looking quite hot.
Wow. Do you really want to
Hurt me.
Do you really want to hurt me?
Do you really want to make
me cry? Green chilies for the win.
False. Erroneous.
Grazie.
Grazie. Grazie.
All right.
that for me?
This is for you. Okay. Dude,
It's so
how big is that flavor?
So good.
glad
I don't want to
came up
eat
with
this
that.
bite.
No, you're gonna have to.
I don't wanna.
You made me
I'm
try
glad-
lobster
I'm glad
and
you're-
shrimp.
Okay.
You're gonna try my green chili.
Fair. Fair. Better without.
Oh my gosh.
I'm saying your recipe is great.
See, the bell doesn't even work now.
What'd you do?
You broke your spirit and your bell.
Dude, the 505 representing that green chili. Guys, be sure you go check out Todd's show, Betty's show, Nate's show. Go to teespring.com. We've got some really fun swag, some shirts, hoodies. Do we have any additional hats there? We don't. We need additional
we don't.
hats.
We have some hats at blackstoneproducts.com.
Yes, we do. You should go there and check them out. Go there for this recipe and a whole bunch of others as well. And Nate, welcome to my show where we cook.
And we quote.
Yes, we do indeed. Thanks, guys, for hanging out.
Banging leftovers.
Ooh.